for turning out to the news late.
That's no reason to be under arrest.
Yeah. No mai koutou, ko Charlie ia. She is Charlie.
Am I at Winton School? Ko Olivia ia. He is Olivia.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the Ratu, the 4th of April.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Wharepaku, which is te reo for toilet.
As in, can I please use the Wharepaku? Try use this week's word this week. Have you?
Sure. Ka pai, on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast is today from low to moderate and from 11 until 2.
And now potae are still required from 11 kia ora. Otherwise you're under the shade.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
A reminder that school is finishing at 12:30 today for learning confernces. The students are staying after 12:30, waiting for parents or waiting for the bus, must stay away from the classrooms. Staff will be on duty supervising the playground.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below. Ow.
Get off
your
Charlie! You're supposed to be arrested.
Oh, am I?
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp when in school.